Action. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, I Am Billy D, here in downtown.
My mama just text me. My mama just wish me well. She sent me some money. She told me to focus on myself.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, I Am Billy D, and we out here living. That's Angel's Flight, going from Grand Avenue here in downtown California up to Hill Street. This thing has been here 118 years. It's a funicular car, which means it travels on tension ropes or cables. Pretty dope if you need a ride up the hill. I'm gonna wait for the other one to come down, and I'm gonna catch a ride myself. You should come with us. We out here living.
Pick a pedal and watch the chick fall. All the way down to the floor. Pick a pedal and watch it fall. All the way down to the...
We in flight, y'all. Going up the hill. It looks like we're gonna be on a collision course with the other train, but they have a way of switching it so that we don't hit. If you look at the bottom of the track, you can see the funicular cables. These are tension coils which pull the train or release the train as it goes up or down the hill.
Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy.
She said it.
Awesome wavy.
Talk your shit, boy.
Say I'm awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy.
Oh man, this shit is crazy though. You know what I'm saying?
Turn up the juice to the double nine. Then go one more, that's 100 AMG. My flow so clean to lead. First she rolled my weed. With that eye contact, I call that 5G. Wi-Fi, fly high in my ride. When she saw me, she said she wasn't now I am set the bar. You niggas cannot spar with me, 'cause I'm a star, you see. Hey nigga, listen. Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy dog, awesome She say I'm dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome wavy dog, awesome wavy dog, yeah. Awesome awesome wavy dog, yeah. She said I'm awesome wavy dog. She said she want that smoke. She said I gave her hope. She love me like the Pope, 'cause I'm awesome wavy. Totally gnarly, dude. 'Cause I'm awesome wavy. Bodacious. Hella saucy, that's my line. Flossy, shining bright. Melanated, never fade. Radiating light. Get my powers from above. I am conscious, I am love. I'm the L, I'm not the dub. I am awesome wavy dog.
What's good, people? It's your boy, I Am Billy D, and you guessed it, we out here living. I wanted to talk to you about something. We need your help. We out here living, but we can't do it without you. So what I need you to do is I need you to smash that like button if you like what we're doing. Leave a comment and tell us what you like about it. And subscribe so you can get all the latest shows. But don't forget to hit that bell icon for all the notifications so that you get the latest. Finally, we need you to join our Patreon supporters membership. You can go on over to Patreon, sign up, and follow Out Here Living, our media group. We can't do it without you, because we out here living. Yeah.
Maxine.
My mama just text me. My mama just